Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today, we will learn how to use the new reveal effect on Instagram. Before we start our video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment on the video. This will help me in a big way, and will motivate me to bring more videos like this. Let's open our Instagram and see how this new Instagram function works. A lot of people are using it, and it can even be used as games and mystery. Opening our Instagram, let's click up there in the top left corner, as if we were going to post a story. After you open the story tab, you take a photo, or select something from the gallery to post on your story. I'm going to select any photo just to show you an example. I chose this photo. Now, let's add the reveal effect. So for those who don't know, this revealing effect serves as a mystery. The person who opens your story won't be able to know what's in it, as the publication will be blurred, and that person can only see your post if they send you a message. To add the reveal effect, see that we have several icons above. Click on the sticker icon, where there is that square with two eyes. Clicking there, you will find several options and effects to your story. Now you will look for and click on the reveal function. We can see that it is right here. Just click on it. After you click on the reveal function, a text box will appear for you to type something. This serves as a tip. People cannot see your blurred publication, but they can have a hint. This can make the person even more curious, so it's almost certain that they will send you a message. For example, I will write that in my story, something very strange. People will read it and will be curious to know what is there. So they will send you a message, and you can also see a preview of what your story will look like by clicking on the review option. This is exactly how it will appear to the person who sees your story. And that's basically it. Now just post it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you next time. See you later.